This video is to discuss how to add things to a list. In order to add things to a list, you first execute a search. In this case, I'm looking up the Darklight trilogy that a friend recommended that I should read. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to my list. Now, I am not currently logged in, as you can see by the invitation to log in, and it is putting the items on a working list. So if I later decide that I want to put these on a particular list, I can do so by simply logging in. I can see my working list right there. I can look at the list details. I do want to note that working lists are temporary and are removed when your session refreshes. So I can go ahead and select all of these by selecting the checkbox, or individually select them one at a time. And I can choose to move these to my to be read list, or whatever other list I'm interested in. And so that's how I can move things from a working list to another list that I've already created. I can also create a new saved list. For instance, if I am embarking on a project, I can create a list. There's nothing in it yet, but then I can start doing searches. And when I select Add to List, now that I'm logged in, it will ask me what list do I want to put it on, or I could create a new list from here. I've already created the list, so I'm going to simply select this to put in my Mercury list. At any time, I can choose to look at the details of what's on my list by simply selecting the title of the list from the left column, and I can see those items. I'm also able to pick the format I want to see it in. So if I need to output a bibliography, I can do so in the Chicago Manual style or the APA style. I can also email the list. If I'm working with other partners on a project, I'm able to send that as well. And I would simply email the list, and I can email everything to any particular person I would be interested in sending it, or I could simply print the page. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy the new catalog.